The government may have an answer to the growing nuclear waste problem in Washington state. The Hanford Nuclear Reservation is the nation's largest and most contaminated waste site. Barrels that should have been put out of service 50 years ago are still in use and they're leaking. But Carter Evans shows us why the solution may be creating problems of its own.
After touring Hanford, Washington Governor Jay Inslee announced that the best way to deal with the leaky nuclear waste is to send some of the toxic material somewhere else.
Frankly, it's the only option other than just to allow this material to leak into the topsoil of the state of Washington for decades.
The Department of Energy is now trying to determine if the waste from the leaking underground tanks is safe enough to transport to a permanent storage facility in New Mexico, 1,500 miles away. If approved, it's a process that could take years. Even then, the Department of Energy, which owns Hanford, can't guarantee the plan will prevent any further leaks.
There's a lot of variables that goes into what is a leak and where is it coming from, and can I declare that I know where that's at or what it's doing? The answer is absolutely not. It's underground.
Sending some of the radioactive sludge to the waste isolation pilot plant near Carlsbad, New Mexico, would only be a short-term solution to deal with approximately 5% of the 56 million gallons of nuclear waste at the site.
This is a known technology that we have confidence in and does not present any additional risk.
But there is already opposition. In a statement, New Mexico Senator Tom Udall said his state's permit for the Carlsbad facility specifically prohibits waste from Hanford. So any proposal to change that would need strong justification and public input. The Department of Energy says the current leaks pose no immediate threat because they're still 250 feet from reaching the groundwater supply. But officials admit the new project could still be 7 years from completion. For CBS This Morning, Carter Evans, Hanford, Washington.